Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Verizon Fios box is acting slow, freezing, or not responding properly, performing a reset can often fix the issue quickly without needing to unplug anything. Many users don't realize that you can reset the Fios box directly using the remote, which makes the process much easier and more convenient. Instead of going behind the TV or dealing with cables, you can refresh the system right from your seat. This method helps clear temporary glitches and restores smooth performance in just a few steps. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to reset your Verizon Fios box using the remote. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your TV and make sure the Fios box is active. Step 2. Press the menu button on your Verizon Fios remote. Step 3. Navigate to the Settings or System Options menu. Step 4. Select the option for Restart or Reset the set-top box. Step 5. Confirm the reset selection when prompted on screen. Step 6. Wait for the box to restart and return to normal operation.